Welcome back to our channel, everybody. Hope you guys are having a great day. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your US bank's online banking account. Now with that said, follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And yeah, US Bank is a bank located in America. So if you guys are an American citizen, you can create an account over there as well. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos for future videos just like this. And with that said, let's move on to the video now, shall we? So the first step, search for register US Bank online banking account and then click on the first link over here. It's going to take you to the official website of US Bank. Here, you want to click on login. And once you do that, over here, you want to enter the username of your account over here. And after entering your username, you want to enter the password of your account over here like this. And then click on login and you should be able to log in into your US Bank's online banking account. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand on how you guys can log in into US Bank's online banking account. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. And bye bye everybody and have a nice day. Peace out.